Welcome to Muiderslot. Today we will have a guided tour of this wonderful castle. For the first part of the tour, we were guided through a luscious garden where you can find all sorts of plants ranging for cooking, for medicinal purposes, and even for painting purposes. It is local volunteers who help maintain this garden. There is even a plot of land dedicated for the local children's school in Muiderslot. During the tour, we were guided to this wonderful view of the castle and of the gardens. Now it's time to enter the castle. Look at that moat. It's really cool and really big. As you walk inside the castle, you feel like you are transported back in time. There's even a dungeon here. Look at that. Now we go up the stairs, very narrow stairs that lead to the Floristoren. That's Floris right there. Next part is the armory or Waffensaal. There's even swords for children here and complete set of armor, which I found really cool. There's even muskets. In this part of the tour, you can see the different helmets and full suit of armor, which you can try and lift up. They are very heavy. We now enter the room where defense or cannonballs were stored. Did you know birds even had armor of their own? Hunter's Tower is where it's located. Going down the stairs, we go into the Princess Chamber or Prinsenkamer. Here you can see a bed and a fireplace that kept them warm. Next part is the Ridderzaal or the Knight's Hall. Here you can see ornate pieces, paintings, beautiful carvings, and a massive fireplace as well. And of course, every castle has its own kitchen or koken. Here you can find all the different tools that they use, proper ingredients during that time. Of course, cheese is also part of it. Here is their stove and cooking area. And of course, when food is done, they go into the eetkamer or the dining room. As you can see, there are flowers on the table. This was actually a symbol of wealth because back then tulips were seen as very rare and expensive to have. So it's a flex. Now we are at the last part, the last tower, where these are actual books here. And this is PVC Hoofd. And I think he was the last owner of this castle. Very cool. Thanks for joining me on my Muiderslot tour. See you next time!